Hi everyone, welcome to my Smelia Beauty channel. How are you? I hope you're okay, and in this video it will be a haul from Yves Rocher France. If you don't know, this brand is from France and I think they are also in USA. I'm not sure, I have to check that out, but I think I saw it when I went to USA in my birthday weekend for shopping. But let's say it's in Canada and in France and whatever, and their product, it's all like they're all vegetables. How you say that? Vegetables, not vegetables. it's plants. It's all made from plants, so let's say it that way. And it's been a while. When I was in high school, I was buying from them like crazy because they were sending like a promotion from mail, and I spent too much money with them. For real, I think all the money that I made from working part-time, I think it all went to Yves Rocher. I was ordering like crazy. And so now I was going there for like waxing, for that kind of service, and they're giving out like cards, and then every time you go you kind of getting levels up, but you can exchange after each level, decide if you want a promotion or you want to keep going until the third level that you can get any product of the store freely, but it has to be one product. It can't be like a kit or a set. It has to be one product. So I was like, okay, I'm gonna fill up my third level because I only needed to spend $20. And since it was my birthday, I received a coupon card, like an invite to say that I will have a free gift, and then another card that was saying if I purchase for $25 and up, I will receive a gift up to $17, and I need to spend $20 to complete my third level. So I was like, why not, let me go and take advantage of my birthday gift and also the third level being completed. So I went, and I went there on 15th June with all of my cards, and I will show you the receipt. This is all the things that I got, and the total was $65.48, and I saved. When I say I saved, it includes the product that was giving free to me because of my birthday and the third level being complete, so $153.05. So what did I get? I will start with the free products, and then we will go on of what I got. So one of the products was the Mango Coriander Energizing Exfoliating Shower Gel. This one here. This one, it has different scents, but I chose this one. And then I had plenty of product to choose, so I chose this one here. It's the Expert Repair. I'm sorry, I was reading in French. So this is the Leche Corporal. Oh my god, I'm reading in Spanish. Let me. Repair Lotion, Extra Dry Skin, Paraben Free. So this one here. So that kind of give me an eye. When I entered the store, I was looking at, because I don't have dry skin. My husband does, because he shaves his head, so he has always dry skin. So I was like, this is good for him. And for the other free gift that I got, it was the Sensitive Vegetal Soothing Micellar Water 2-in-1 Dermo Smoothing Sieges Beckia Leaf, whatever it says. It says sensitive skin. I have mixed skin, but why not? This is the product. So the micellar solution here. This was free also. And what did I have free? So this was it. This is the three products that I got free. And in the store they had a promotion going on, and I left my mask 3-in-1 from Vichy in Turkey, so I needed a mask. And the girl that I was asking questions because I didn't know which product to get for my free product, since I complete my 3rd level. I was like, oh, I'm thinking this, but this. She was like, oh, let me just make a test with their machine on my face to see my skin, what I really needed. The keratin in my face was okay, the skin was okay, but it's just the pores and the pigmentation of my face. So these were the 2 things that I needed to take care of after the test. And I was telling her I don't have any more my mask, so she was like, you need the mask. So she said that these products are awesome, so it will help me with my oily skin and also with all my pores and everything. So they were $19 each, and they are small bottles, $19 each, but they had a promotion 2 for 1, so it's like paying half price. So I was like, why not? So I had the purifying scrub, and then I had the purifying mask, so both of them. And I'm sorry, I forgot, for completing my 3rd level I chose the perfume Comme une évidence, this one here. And to do my $25 purchase, I got this one here, the collection été. It's like a fragrance also. This one, it's for summer, it's new, and I had to get me a 2nd solar cream. I mean, this is gorgeous, 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 and it doesn't have any perfume, it doesn't have any colorant in it, and it doesn't have any paraben. It's 0%, and it's SPF FPS 30, and it's sunscreen lotion, no comedogenic, no greasy, water and sweat resistant, 80 minutes. And I'm already using this. This is my 2nd bottle because I was like, I'm so loving it and I need to purchase to get my free stuff. I was like, let me buy another one so that maybe we can keep one, so that husband can like bring it to his work or whatever, because since he shaved his head and he's a white guy, so he doesn't get bronze, he gets like a homard, how you say that, homard, crab, you know, the, yeah, he gets red like this, red lobster. He gets like the red lobster. I do get tan, but he get red. So I was like, let me just grab a 2nd one for him. So this is $30 something, and I paid $16 or $17. Let me just check. Crème solaire lotion. It was $32. I paid 50% off, $16 for it. So this was it. And for $2.95, it's $22 value. This one here, it says beauty, energy, and relax. And in this one here, I had 3 products. So I have the Serum Vegetal. It's the Wrinkle and Radiance Smoothing Care, Day Care. This one here. I have the Hydrogel Hydrating Micellar Water 2-in-1. This is for a normal to mixed skin, so I will be able to see which one I prefer for my face. And their nail polish, I never tried their nail polish. I pretty much tried everything from their makeup, perfume, but not their nail polish. So I have a nail polish. Really nice color for summer. So this was pretty much it for my Yves Rocher haul. And if you know this brand, then you can comment on what I should try or what I should look for. But I think I'm good for all the skincare products because I got so many things from Bath and Body Works. I mean, I have so many scrubs, gels from Olay, from all kind of brand, because I did some couponing, so I'm kind of hooked up with body care, with hair care. I mean, I am to the top. I'm trying to find space even for mouth cleaning, toothbrush, toothpaste. I have it all, like, to the top. So that's it. Thanks again. Thanks for watching all of my hauls back to back. No new clothes or makeup, or no real makeup. I just have my mascara and the everlasting lipstick from Kat Von D. Anyway, it's dry, it's there. I've been filming with this since now it's almost 8 hours. I'm really getting tired, but I have two last hauls. One from a USA, from my birthday USA shopping, and the other one another drugstore haul, and then I will wrap this up, and my husband will come with McDonald's. I will not tell, but I'm so hungry. I told him I'm hungry, so he's coming with some fast food, McDonald's, and and I will eat that and just relax. So I'm trying to film as fast as I can because I'm hungry. So that's it. Thanks for watching, and see you on my next video. Bye!